Hey there, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily slow down your video in Olive. So let's start. First, I have my media here of Spider-Man swinging around the town and fighting bad guys, and I want to have it much slower. So what I'm going to do, I will click on it, and then I will click speed duration. And then I will decrease the speed of it to like 50%, or you can just play with the frame rate and add a new value. And as you can see, the video is much slower at the moment. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Now let's get it back. Speed duration 100%. Yeah, let's just edit it like this. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and see ya.